Okay, here we are again. Got your plan open. This time I'm gonna look down here and see where the foundation is. There's no foundation for one reason or another over here and over here. And this is where the hole is right there, I think. So probably just a matter of using the wall break tool here and here. And then I'm going to click on this and extend stem wall. And take this section here and extend it out. We'll line it up with the wall above. Click. Align. Align. I've got a little bit sticking out there and here. That should take care of it. So I'm going to go back to this camera here you've got saved. Let it open up. And I'm going to skip that. I don't care what it is. Yeah, problem solved. The foundation wasn't filled in, that's all. Let's see, good job on the terrain. That looks nice. Now with that, that's probably a terrain hole line that just needs to be perhaps adjusted a little bit. Yeah, I bet that's what it is. Let's go over here, turn on the reference display, go up a 4, and I'm going to look for a terrain hole. And open the dialog box, go to hit the T key and go to, let's see, elevation data is what I think it is. And I don't see anything. Okay. Maybe I'm overlooked something. Maybe it's not terrain data. Maybe it's features. Well, features are turned on. That's a parking lot kind of a thing. It says Greencraft. Is that an elevation region? Yeah, okay. Oh, here's something. What's that? Driveway specification. No. You check something out. Oh, I thought the terrain was turned on. It wasn't. There we go. I'll check on the terrain specification. Hide terrain intersected by building. Okay, that's on. Okay, you didn't do it with a hole. Okay, that makes sense then. Go back to the camera view. Like this area right here, if you had used, well, let me show you. It's easier to show you than to yap about it. I'm going to click on the outside of the building here. Hit the tab key. There we go until we get that. I don't want to take all the terrain out there, but I'm going to create a, let's see. Oh yeah, I want to create a room polyline. Okay, and then I'm going to convert that room polyline to a terrain feature. And I'm going to make that a hole in the terrain. And I'm going to move it in tight around the building. We'll break this up. This is no big deal. But if you're showing it to a client, you don't really want anything that they can say, "What's that?" You don't want to hear that, you know. You just don't want to hear that. If you can avoid it, you want everything all nice and neat and like a nursery rhyme. I don't think we need to take the terrain out over here or here. A bit tighter around the building. Don't need it taken out there. Okay, that ought to work pretty well. I'm going to save and then go back to the camera view that's open. Oh, and also on the terrain, now that I've got that hole in there, I'm going to uncheck this. Yeah, I should have done that. And filled it in a little bit more, not totally. There must, let's see where it's. I've got it tied in there. Pull it in a little bit tighter. Just trying to fill in that. Well, I guess that's a waste of time I just wasted. That's okay. There's things you can do to make everything nice and neat. Okay, so that's about it. See, what have we got, a gap there? See, what is that? That's this porch here. Probably doesn't have a foundation under. Yep, that's what it is. Let's close this hole here. Wonder why? Oh, I can't. Those must be invisible walls. Move that around. See, there we go. I was looking for that little tool there. We'll save and go back to that camera view and see if that. Yeah, that closed that up a little bit, I think. There's where the terrain is cut out around whatever that is. I think that's a slab or something, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Maybe you wanted it up there. I don't know. Looks kind of funny to me, hanging in space like that. Okay. You just needed to draw in your foundation so it looks cosmetically more finished and not unfinished. Thanks for watching. Again, hope this helps you. Have a good day.